So I'm bored, and I figured today would be a great day to just like change my entire setup around, or at least like the majority of it. Setup videos, like who doesn't love them? Come on, they're awesome. So in the last like setup video where I rearranged some things around, you guys seen that I utilized just one desk, and honestly it's probably been one of my favorite setups. But the downside is this table was just not big enough for everything. I'm talking like for both the keyboard sets, for the mixer, for the computers. A lot of people gave me gripe for putting the PCs on the ground. Like, listen guys, you clean your carpet, you take care of your PCs, dust them out, and make sure that you're keeping everything clean. PCs on carpets aren't that big of a deal, grow up. Anyways, the all-in-one setup, it was convenient, it was all in one location. I loved that, but I don't have the stuff right now to do that. So I went back to like an L-shaped setup, and I used this desk that I was typically using for like all my YouTube videos and product shots to do the L shape. And again, I'm kind of running into that snag. As you see, I'm very, very congested here when I stream. The Rodecaster Pro, although it's amazing, and yes, I got a review coming on it soon, it's huge. Look how big it is. It takes up such a large portion of the desk. And then on top of that, I will say I'm finally happy with the YouTube shot. Like, I don't think I'm going to touch any of this, everything that you guys have been seeing in the YouTube videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked this whole like structure, this setup, the lights behind, the decor, all that. But the only snag is this table is so large and it creates such an echo in the room from working on it. And I have a buddy that's actually interested in buying this table down here in Charlotte. So we're gonna get rid of this guy. We're gonna bring this guy back over here, and we're going to, for the time being, create a nice gaming streaming setup over here and give us the clean editing creative setup back again over here. Again, the ultimate goal from this is convenience. I want to be able to continue growing my brand with the other brands that I'm currently working with, bring on new brands, continue to do the streaming, the YouTube stuff, just everything that I do this year. I want to be able to do it in the most easy kind of flow state operation possible. When I'm doing YouTube videos, I just want to be able to just sit down and record them. When I'm doing gaming, streaming, I just want to go into the area and get it done and not have to inconvenience myself around other things. And same thing with like editing and capturing stuff for brands. Get to work on one end and be able to do things on the other side while not interrupting that process whatsoever and not trying to clutter myself. Right now, this setup here is just so cluttered. Already, this room looks so much more open. So this is the desk that I'm going to use for the YouTube videos and stuff. I think last time some of you guys may have seen this video, I was using this again. I swapped it out for the black desk just to see if I could utilize this for the L-shaped desk. But with how big that black desk was, it didn't give me much room from the creative station to recording videos. It kind of clustered up this area, clustered up the area all around. Like using this desk, because this area, not only do I use it to record like sit down shots that you guys see in these videos, I also use it to record product shots. I bring out backgrounds and backboards and screens right here and record everything on this side. So having a more smaller desk gives me a lot more room to just kind of like work around this entire area. So now the only thing that I gotta get done is I gotta get a desk for this area here. So let's go get one. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about this little guy that I snagged yesterday at Hobby Lobby. Who doesn't love a good Hobby Lobby? Hobby Lobby?
Love Hobby Lobby.
Love Hobby Lobby. We love Hobby Lobby in this household. So this will be where the streaming computer sits on, and then all like the routers, modems, and whatnot will sit on the bottom. Are you ready for some freaking adventuring today?
Yeah.
Maybe a little IKEA action?
Sure.
That's probably gonna be the cheapest place where I can find a desktop, tabletop.
I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Look at this.
The recipe maker probably wouldn't have fit too
I made
well.
Megan get a new purse last weekend.
And
Literally
she
made
has,
me buy this one. Basically.
because it's been coming in clutch and we needed you to get a new one. So
I know, but
this
I
is
had a new one. It was just $20.
so this is the first time that we've actually been to IKEA in a while.
A hot minute, as they say.
Yeah, we didn't. Now that everything's kind of like over with, we weren't part of like the big like mass believers. Everybody can have their debates, and now that the emails have come out from the CDC saying that it was all pretty much bullshit anyways, that was kind of like our thought process. Is we really didn't go to many places like during the pandemic. I don't know. I just have my different views on the sanitary needs of, so we didn't come here. But now it's not like that anymore. So we're at IKEA today.
Wrap my head around it. Why is my heart still pounding?
Okay, update. IKEA was unsuccessful, but we did get some patio furniture.
Cute little outdoor area.
It's not cute, it's badass.
Okay.
So now we are at the wonderful Home Depot where they come clutch. Actually, all my tabletops that I currently have, my YouTube desk and my like creative desk, the big like 98-inch one, they're live edge butcher block countertops from Home Depot. So we're gonna see if they have anything in stock here.
Never thought I could numb from trying. Why is my heart still pounding? I can't stop to dwell about it.
Okay, so we ended up going with the same kind of like butcher block top that I went with the rest of the office, except with this I did not do the live edge to where it keeps that like natural look. I just wanted like a nice square stable top, didn't I?
Yes.
Yeah, because IKEA was trying to run us through some loops and we didn't like that shit, did we, Cut? Whoa, yo, a little gluten-free Oreo action? See, I could get a nice little workbench. I could see you getting into this a little bit more.
Staining?
Just, I mean, all around woodwork. Just doing the whole 9 yards.
I don't know if I trust myself for that.
Oh, you're so much better at that stuff than what you realize. And then you can be constantly making me new setup tables.
I don't know about that.
Finally, things are starting to just like come together like across the board. For the longest time, I've been trying to just like utilize what I have in the workspace, like everything that I currently have here, to just tie everything together. And I've been debating doing like the really full sending this new desktop and everything for just the gaming setup specifically. And as you guys have seen over the last few months, it's just been like nothing but going back and forth trying to, you know, move this desk, the other desk, anything else that I currently had, and to just figure a way to utilize it all without having to get anything new. Well, I was done with that. In the balance of me trying to like do this weight loss journey more, getting into hiking, camping, like leaving this house and separating myself with social media, and then bringing myself back into the office to do all this creative work, to do everything that I do on a daily basis. The hours that I do spend gaming and streaming now, Monday through Friday, they're pretty sacred to me now, because in the idea that I can't do it all the time anymore, I don't spend 12 hours a day gaming and streaming anymore. So those like 5 to 6 hours at most that I do get a chance to sit down and game and stream and connect with some of you viewers out there, they're just so important to me now. So with that, I wanted to have that space that was a little bit more special to me. 2021 setup tour, like the whole studio setup, everything is coming here this next month. So make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on those notifications to see that when it goes live. Just a friendly reminder too, if you guys don't know, on my website, BigE.co, I have like everything that I use in this setup, and I actually create things too that you guys can utilize for your setups that might be a little bit more affordable. For example, like camera gear and whatnot, like giving you guys quality options at a more affordable price. Everything like that, and LUTs that I use to get this picture profile, graphic packs to spice up your stuff, like anything that I can create for you guys is available at BigE.co. So make sure you guys head over there today, check that out. Be on the lookout for the 2021 setup tour. I look forward to bringing you guys into my world. I love it in here. It's everything now, like the space, the layout, the flow, like You guys are gonna love it. You're gonna see why it's taken me so long to just like go back and forth and fine tune everything in this room. It's like literally perfect. All right, if you guys watched today's video all the way through, type big gaming setup moves in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm out. Peace. Deuces.